When the water goes out, Bobby Burke will be there, whether it's the afternoon or the middle of the night.
We're a first responder crew, so when people call in about water leaks or sewer stoppages or any kind of problems related to that, I'll go out and see what the problem is and fix it if I can.
A longtime utilities maintenance specialist, Bobby has seen it all. It could be as simple as a customer accidentally shutting off their water to a tree root crushing underground pipes, or worse.
If you have a leak at the water main, you have to dig through about 3 or 4 feet of mud, and you're going to get dirty.
As Bobby reviews each day's service requests, he's always ready for a new challenge.
It's never the same thing. It's a different part of the county, it's different people, it's a different problem. This is my office, I have a rolling office. What's up, man?
Bobby joined the county in 2003. He says he enjoys working on a team that's not afraid to get a little dirty to get the job done. In addition to his technical know-how, the job also requires a human touch as he meets customers, sometimes at very odd hours.
Kind of like the face of the county, I'm not on the phone, I'm right in front of them.
Bobby says it's satisfying to know you've been able to change someone's day, and some of them let him know it.
That they appreciate what I've done, and occasionally they'll fill out that little card and send it in.
For Bobby, every day is a new opportunity to exceed his customers' expectations.
I'm Bobby Burke, and I'm Pinellas County.